All right, I'm doing a quick video. This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I want to show you this. This is the Sexy Analyst, and I just wrapped up class. We went over 6 trades that I was in, and but I want to show you these two. I just want to show you how simple it is. So I'm on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this is USD CAD on the 1 hour time frame. Today is April 12th, 2022. I've already locked in some gain on the regular account and stuff like that, which I showed the students. This is just a remainder piece. So anyway, look at this trade. Can you now see that it literally touched the upper trend line? It touched my Fibonacci 50. It touched our custom built Sexy Analyst resistance dots. Everything. I call this my Three Amigos trading because look, it got everything I need. You know, it's in my supply zone, resistance dots, touch the trend line. Now, with the Fibonacci, I call it Quattro because that gives it 4 different confirmations. Then I can call it Cinco because now with the Too Easy system, if you haven't got it, you might want to get it. This is our own custom built strength meter. You can clearly see the sellers come in. So if you lost money today, the news came out. I think it was the core CPI numbers. A lot of people lost, but we did not. You can clearly see that trade there. All right, let's take a look at this particular trade already. Right here, take a look at that trade. Tell me if you were looking at this trade setup, okay? And again, I'm up 48 pips. That's why I'm showing it to you before I close for today. I'm heading out. But look at this setup. Again, my 3 amigos with the Sexy Analyst. Clearly, you can see it touched the upper trend line, which you would have got an alert. It touched my resistance dots, which you see that up in the box, and you touched my supply zone. How can you not have seen that? Now, a lot of people can draw these in manually. Of course, you can do all these and draw in the manual trend lines, support and resistance levels, and all that blah, blah, blah. Go right ahead and do your thing. But again, look at my sellers. It told me the sellers are coming in. I got everything I need in this automated. I can click one button between these charts, and I can see. By the way, market makers method, for those who trade the market maker method, can't you see the retest? And look at where it literally tested. Right to our custom instantly placed there for you Fibonacci level at the 50 supply and demand zone. Look at that. It retested this level, our resistance dots that we built in here. And literally, I mean, how can you not have seen it? And then a lot of people ask, well, when is the best time to exit a trade? Could you see? I've already took profit off of this trade. See, and then I moved my stop loss here. You see that? So this is a risk-free trade. But when, and I talked about this in the class, when did I know to start taking profits off the table? That's one of the biggest problems with traders. They get in a good trade but don't know when to get out. Can you not see this right here? It literally touched what? My trend line. It literally touched it. You see the dots inside of there? That's support dots. Okay. You see this box right here? This is demand zones, custom built demand zones. See, supply zone, demand zone. It literally touched there. And what did it also do? Touched the 23.6 Fibonacci level, which you clearly see it touched it before. It retested this level and it stopped. It dropped and stopped. Okay. It dropped and what? Stopped. So that's why I closed out majority of the profit. Move my stop in below my entry. So no matter what happens at this point, I'm still in profit. I'm going to walk away looking pretty good on this trade. But you can clearly, I mean, this is just no-brainer trading. Okay. No-brainer trading at all. Okay. And especially, don't have time, but if you add to the simplicity with its arrow and its zones, it's just, come on, man. It's just, how can you not see these trades? You get what I'm saying? So anyway, that's that. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. Hopefully you guys will too. And I will see you next time in the next video.